In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto in the Binance iPhone app. We'll walk through a clean, beginner-friendly way to move funds inside Binance using your iPhone. This is perfect for shifting assets from your spot wallet to your funding wallet or sending crypto to another Binance account. Before you begin, make sure your app is up to date, you're connected to a stable internet connection, and you're signed in securely. Start by opening the Binance app on your iPhone and logging in. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner and tap Assets. This is your portfolio hub where you can see balances and manage movements across your wallets. Next, tap Spot. The Spot wallet is where assets you trade typically reside. If you mostly use Binance for trading pairs, this is where you'll likely find your funds. Understanding the difference helps. Spot is for trading, while funding is often used for P2P, card, or certain in-app purchases and services. Now tap the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. I'll use USDT as a simple example, but you can select any coin you hold. Take a second to confirm it's the correct asset. Many coins have similar tickers, so a quick double check can save you from moving the wrong token. Tap Transfer. This is different from a withdrawal. Transfer is for moving funds within Binance's ecosystem, either between your own wallets or to another Binance account. It's typically faster and may be fee-free compared to on-chain withdrawals, though always check the on-screen details. Under From, choose Spot Wallet, or whichever wallet currently holds the asset you're moving. This tells Binance where to take the funds from. Next, under Tow, pick where the funds should go. If you're moving money within your own account for payments or P2P, select Funding Wallet. If you're sending to someone else who also uses Binance, choose another Binance account. Selecting the right destination is important so the crypto lands exactly where it's needed. Tap Amount and enter how much you want to transfer. You can type an exact value or use available balance shortcuts if shown. Make sure you leave your account with the amount you intend and avoid typos. Tiny mistakes can lead to confusion later. Finally, review the summary and tap Confirm Transfer. The move is usually instant for internal transfers. After a moment, head back to your assets to verify the new balance in the destination wallet. That's it, quick, clear, and secure. If you found this helpful, follow the same flow whenever you need to move crypto within Binance on your iPhone.